She had her shiny little Beamer with her red top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and wagging around, and I just laughed and said, y'all get it. She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. I said, what you wanna do, baby, I don't care. We can go to the show, we can stay right here, and I can take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, I'll make it go faster, down through the woods and out to the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, but baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on the big green tractor. Just let me dust off the seat. Put your pretty little arms around me. Here we go. Near, near.